Alright, so for today, as far as ABS delete goes, this is what we were going to be doing. Basically a metric T. So the front line for the brake master cylinder will go into here. Then it will go to the front driver's side caliper, front passenger side caliper, and then it has a little mounting hole. Either I'll probably just zip tie it or mount it up somewhere on the firewall. I am going to shorten this down, I believe, just so it's not as long. And then for the rear, we're going to take off this line and just delete it, and then we're going to run a new line from here into the car to this puppy, and then from this we're going to run it down into the rear union. So that'll be that. Got the ignition panel mocked up. That looks really nice. There'll be a separate video for that, so stay tuned for that. I got the brake line, cutter and bender. So if you guys were trying to do this method, I got it from Nissan for about 30 bucks. Paid rate price for it, but you can look it up on eBay for like about 11 bucks. It's just a metric union T, but this is the part number if you guys need it. Other than that, I'm just gonna go pick up some more kerosene because we don't really have any, so we'll be right back. Alright, not sure if you can hear me through the propane heater, but I'm gonna get started in the front and just work my way back. I'm gonna do the flaring on the front lines to the ABS block T, and then from there we'll go on to the hydro. So all the front brakes are plumbed up. This is the outcome right here. Got the front going into this T, driver's side, passenger side. And I'm working on the hydro mount. Just have everything mocked up. Hydro will be mounted there. I'm making a little plate right here. Welding that to that. And then I like the location of that. Fit me best there, so we're gonna get to that. Sick. I need more. What's it at, 6 right now?
It's at 4.
Oh wow.
1 to 6.
6.5.
Good welding.
Yeah, dude, I'm satisfied with that.
It looks like it flexed, like, right there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It like warped a little.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you weld fucking thin-ass Miatas. Alright, so I forgot to make an outro to this video. It was getting late and we were getting a snowstorm. But we got all the front lines plumbed up, hydros mounted. I just need to do the rear lines, and then other than that, we have to start doing all the wiring for the ignition panel and putting up the turbo, doing all the lines and all that stuff. Those will be other separate videos. I'm just gonna hang out here, play some Assetto. Got the Assetto going with the budget sim. Other than that, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.